Introduction. Marketing environment analysis is the process of studying and evaluating the internal and external factors that influence an organization marketing activities and its ability to achieve its objectives. This analysis aims to understand market opportunities and threats, as well as the organization's strengths and weaknesses.
What do you mean? What mean?
تهديدات فرص تهديدات.
Yes. This meaning they're using the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is very important to learning what happened, what events in the environment, external and internal. Okay.
Strong weakness of a people.
Yes.
Okay. This facilitating sound marketing.
Facilitating.
The marketing environment encompasses internal factors such as resources, capabilities, and strategies, and external factors such as competitors, consumers, and economic, social, technological, and legal factors. Analyzing the marketing environment helps organizations adapt to market change and enhance their competitiveness.
Yes, that's good. All the companies now in the world focusing about the external environment. Why external environment? Because including and external factors such as competitors working in same your work, okay,
same markets,
sector, okay. Number two, consumers. Consumers are very important.
Who are marketing to
you
them.
are learning what need the consumer from you, okay? What need the production is very important. Number three, economic very important because the effect and correlation in the income, how much your income to pay the money about these products. Number three, social very important because including the value, including the culture, including the language. This is very important because the language different between the countries. Okay, technological, very important because the exchange all time.
Fast.
Your product now up to date. After some time, you are the later different the products. Okay, that's good. Thank you.